How to fix Counter-Strike Source crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to your library, right-click on the game and open up the Properties window, and then go to Installed Files and click on Verify the Integrity of Game Files. Once this process is done, you want to go to the General tab, and then under Launch Options, you want to add the following command, -dx11, or you can try -dx10, whatever one works for you. But in most cases, DX11 is fine to use without any crashes. And then you can close out of this window. And then you will need to update your GPU driver. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to download and install NVIDIA app. And then go to the drivers section. From here, you will need to download and install the latest Game Ready driver. And if you have it already installed, you can try to reinstall it manually by clicking on this reinstall button. Next, you will need to open up your browser and search for Redist, and then click on the first Microsoft link. Scroll down to the second table, which is this one, and make sure to download and install the 86 version and the 64 version. Install both of these. You can also repair the existing installation if you have it already. And once you're done, you will need to restart your system by clicking on the Restart button. And then before launching the game again, you should run Steam as admin, right click and run as admin. And then you can launch Counter-Strike, and that should fix the crashing problems. Thanks for watching and subscribe.